unboxing. Squee. I see. Stay indoors. Keep calm. Damn right. From Amsterdam. Amsterdam.
Is that you?
It's not me. It looks a bit, but it's not. Alrighty. Look, it's tied up with string. Oh, and one is for the man and one is for me. So the question is, whose is whose?
I think this might be yours.
Well, we can look at the colour. Oh. Yeah, there. Roma's 10. Is that what I got? Soka. They're mine. Do you want to do yours first then?
Okay.
You do yours first.
Oh, hang on, the cat trap.
Oh, it's the cat trap. Oh, it's the cat trap.
Not the fun trap.
Okay. So these are, we're getting the Magnus Black Material Princess. Are they yours? Is that right?
We've got a cat.
We've got a cat. Are these ones, that one yours?
I don't know.
I think they were yours. No, don't cut them, no. Oh. Oh, and now we've got a string trap. Okay. Are they yours? Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. So you get a bag with it to travel around. Oh my god, they are. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, they're so beautiful. Hold them that way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Swordfish.
The swordfish. Stay sharp. Stay inside. Okay. Have you got socks to try them on?
No, I don't actually.
Okay, I will pause this. And what else did we get? Anything else in there? Anything else exciting? Oh, good. 2 shoes. That's always useful.
A shoehorn.
Shoehorn. Hooray.
Bit small for there, but it would work still.
It still works.
And that's it.
That's it, baby.
Usually stickers or something. But
Sometimes. Don't they look yummy? Oh, and a cat trap. Okay. So then I'll try mine.
And then we'll get shoes and
Yes, please. Can you cut them? You might have to take this off for me or cut it again. And a toy as well. Oh, kitten! Kitten in a box. There. Yay!
Wait, wow, I've got her distracted.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but she's so cute. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at the cover on that one. That's cute.
Do you want me to hold it?
Oh, no, I'm fine. Oh, I see here. Stuff. This is where, okay, so that's a receipt. Yeah, and another post badge. Which usually says, no, you're weird. No, you're weird.
Fluevog Day is May 15th.
Yay. Pants mean trousers, just in case. Or it could mean pants. You never know. Okay, and then we've got, ooh, the Fluevog post. Nice magazine for later. That's a little card. We'll put that in there. And then I get a bag too. Are we ready? Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for these babies. touching my shoes. Oh, they're so pretty. I like the toe, how it's sort of pointy, but pointy on an angle. Yeah, just like big toe and then curves down. And then a big chunky rubber sole. Oh, num nums. Oof, oof. Okay, now the epic adventure of making sure they fit. I'm always worried about that when I buy online, but usually we're pretty good. So, see you shortly. Go. Oof. Mhm. 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 What do they feel like?
I've never had the Cuban heel before, so they feel a bit odd.
Feel the right size?
Yeah, feel the right size. Could have gone half a size smaller, but they didn't do an 11 and a half.
Do 11 and a half.
Okay.
Nice.
They're wearing nicely.
Mm.
I've always got a fear that I'm going to step on these, but...
Oh, the edge of the... Yeah.
Yeah, but no, it doesn't.
Turn around the other way. Yeah, that's better. I can show them then.
When they're on, I don't feel like I'm going to do that.
Good.
Mm.
There we go. Quarantine shoe fashion show. Shoe fashion show. Ooh, ah la la. Okay, mine now.
They look lovely. How do they feel?
They're great. Again, could potentially have gone half a size down. These are a 10, but they feel good. I like the little splits in them at the front, which you can see, and at the sides. But they do feel a little loose here, so I will have to, as they wear them in, I'll have to put a sock on them because I've got a smallish ankle. So I've always found that when there's a buckle, not a lace. But I love the pointy toe that's not in the front, not in the centre. And they're like big, bouncy, rubbery soles, so it doesn't actually feel like I'm wearing a heel at all. They feel great. They're gorgeous.
Thank you, Mr. Fluevog.
Thank you, Mr. Fluevog, for another wonderful design. Thank you, Fluevog Amsterdam, for getting them to us in this crazy time. And do you approve, Nixie? Do you approve? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh. Yeah.